Hello friends, I am Ganesh here from HowToThing, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and giveaway of the Mi A3 smartphones which I have purchased from an offline store. The device is priced for 12,999. So as you can see, I have the two devices. One I'll be doing the giveaway and one I'll be doing the unboxing now. So let me show you the box. So this is the Mi A3 smartphone, and you can see the Android One branding, as this is an Android One device where you can expect the latest updates from the Google directly on this device. So let me just unbox this. Before I remove the device, so let me show you something. This device comes with a triple camera, that is the 48 megapixel primary camera with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel depth effect to capture the portrait mode. We do have an in-display fingerprint sensor. It has the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on it, and we do have a 32 megapixel front camera to capture the better selfie. So let me just remove the device and show you what comes out of the box. So this is the user guide. This is the SIM ejector pin. We do a very beautiful Teflon case, as you can see. Let me put the device aside and show you what else comes out of the box. We have the USB Type-C cable. And this is the power adapter. So let me put all the accessories aside and show you the device. Let me give the overview of the device. So you can see this is the rear panel of the device, which comes with a triple camera, that is 48 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel wide range and 2 megapixel for the portrait selfies. And here you can see the Xiaomi branding, and this is the Android One branding over here. Towards the right we have the volume blockers and the power button. On the top we have the IR sensor, 3.5mm headset jack, and on the bottom we have the Type-C port and the speaker grills. So let me quickly set up the device. This is a pure Android One smartphone, so it comes with the stock Android, as you can see. Let me open the settings. So as you can see, Out of 64 GB, we get 49.49 GB out of the box. Rest of the space is occupied by the operating system running on the device. This device comes with Android 9, that is Android Pie out of the box, and is upgradable to the latest operating systems. So as you can see, this comes with a 48 megapixel rear camera. So let me capture some images and show you. There is a portrait mode on this. So let me capture. So these are the different modes, that is panorama mode, portrait mode, video mode, short mode. This is the 32 megapixel front camera with a drop notch. Overall, this is a good smartphone. I'll be doing the gaming video and the overview of this device in the next upcoming video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed. And we are giving away one of the smartphones which we have here, and this is the kind of gray. The one which I have bought for myself is also the gray version. It looks pretty cool. Hope you guys like this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you like it and stay subscribed. Thank you.